In this quick tutorial, we will show how to create a bill of lading. Navigate to Items and click on Bill of Lading. This feature is used to send items from one project to another, from a project to storage, or to a custom destination. Click Create. Enter a title, description, and select the driver. Choose the origin of the item we need to deliver. Choose the item you need to transport and assign the vehicle that will perform the delivery. Select the final destination and specify the delivery date. Click Submit to complete the process. In the table, the only available option is to delete the request. This feature is closely integrated with our mobile application. To process a request, the assigned driver must accept or decline it from the mobile app. The request status will update automatically as the driver performs actions on their device. If your drivers do not have the app installed, you can still use this feature to document requests. However, these will remain in the pending state. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Please reach out if you have any questions or suggestions.